के कण कण से ओंकार की ध्वनि सुनिए। एक और गहरी सांस लीजिए। लेट्स टेक अनदर डीप ब्रेथ इन। Once again we chant Om and listen to the sound from the whole body. A body can absorb energy and sound is such energy. Let's take a deep breath in. Now relax. Just imagine your body is inside a pillar of energy. Pillar of light is where your body is. शरीर एक ऊर्जा के स्तंभ के अंदर है, ऐसे भाव करें। Your body is inside a pillar of energy, pillar of light. There is light all around you, inside of you, and it's going all the way to the ceiling. You are encased in a pillar of energy from the floor to the ceiling. जमीन से छत तक एक खंबे है, मान ले रोशनी की या ऊर्जा के खंबे के भीतर आप हो। खंबे के अंदर जब होते हैं कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, सिर्फ रहना पड़ता है पास। When you are inside a beam of light or energy, there is nothing you can do. You simply are there. You simply have to be. So just be inside this pillar of energy. Notice the movement of breath. सांस की गति पर ध्यान दीजिए. The breath is also moving from the roof to the floor and floor to the roof. Become aware of the movement of breath inside this pillar of energy. सांस लेते लेते ऊपर जाएं, सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते नीचे आए. When you breathe in, take your attention to the roof, and when you breathe out, bring your attention to the floor. Let's just keep doing this diligently with patience. Notice the flow of breath. You may feel some discomfort, just let it be. Next few minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, we're going to bear all the discomfort that might arise in our body. Some restlessness or some tension might get released, and so we bear with them, not to try to do anything. सिर्फ सांस के साथ छत और जमीन के बीच में चलते रहें. Just keep moving your attention from the floor to the roof and roof to the floor with the breath. This would cleanse our body and mind of irregularities or impurities. Sometimes your breath may appear broken or short. Never mind. Keep your attention flowing from the floor to the roof and roof to the floor, body being a pillar of energy. Just bear with me any discomfort for just few minutes. It may appear to be a little bit of effort, but let us continue. Whatever thoughts are coming, just let them come. They come and they go on their own. जो भी विचार आ रहे हो मन में, आने देना. वे आवेंगे और वे जाएंगे. Feel as though the breath is moving in the very center of your body, from the base of the spine to the ceiling and from ceiling to the base of the spine. बाकी शरीर को भूलकर सिर्फ सांस पर ही ध्यान दें। जैसे सांस जमीन से आसमान, छत तक और छत से जमीन तक चल रही हो, इस भाव से बैठे रहें। Just be seated still with the feeling the breath is going to the top of the roof and to the floor where you are sitting. They pass through the very center of your body. The fire of meditation burns down all the impurity. ध्यान के अग्नि में सब कल्मश राख हो जाते हैं। सारे दर्द, दुख, अकेलापन मिट जाते हैं। All feelings of loneliness, pain and suffering simply vanishes in the fire of meditation. Determined, keep moving your attention from the base of the spine through the head to the ceiling and back. तनाव होने पर सांस की गति में विच्छेद या टूटी हुई महसूस हो सकता है। The stress in our system may make us feel that the breath is not in straight line but broken. Notice the temperature of the breath. Just let it be. Be determined in the pillar of energy within which you are sitting. Some tightness may appear here and there in the body. They will disappear for sure. Just stay put where you are. शरीर में कहीं तो कुछ पीड़ा या तनाव सा अनुभव हो सकता है, वे सब हट जाएंगे। आप डटे रहिएगा। might feel some sensations, pleasant or unpleasant, just let it be. Now let go of everything, all your efforts, and simply relax. इस वक्त सब कुछ छोड़कर विश्राम कर. Relax and repose in yourself. Let the mind spread in the whole room. Relax. मन को फैलने दे, चारों ओर फैलता ही है, कुछ नहीं करना, विश्राम करें, सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. शांति शांति शांति. Slowly and gradually become aware of body and surrounding. With a big smile, take a deep breath in and gradually breathe out. धीरे धीरे एक गहरी सांस लीजिए. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते सांस लें. और मुस्कान के साथ ही धीरे धीरे सांस छोड़ें. And you may gently